Oh, this is so cute. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute you are. Look at your eyes. Your eyes are open. Oh, so sweet you are. Hey, Dolly. That is so sweet. Mama's right here. Are you sticking out your tongue, Jubilee? You're so pretty. You are so pretty. Hey, Jubilee. Uh-oh. She's trying to get the blanket down there.
Hello, Dolly.
Where'd you go? Okay. Hey, Jubilee. Your daddy wants to come in. Here comes Mama. Mama. And Daddy's outside. Aww.
Oh, that's Jubilee.
Sisters. Sisters. Oh, ain't that sweet? Oh. Okay, sisters. Oh, these puppies are so beautiful. When they're taken, they got future homes. Oh, okay. Okay, you want Mama? Okay, we'll put you in the crate. And Mama, you gotta go too in the crate. What are you doing on my bed? She took the bed. She took the blanket, and she went and set those two babies on my bed. Hannah. Okay, look at this. Look at this. The tongue's out. Okay. Sisters. Sisters.